welcome to my channel. This is all about luxury things for a typical working family woman like me. If this sounds interesting to you, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload new video. Okay guys, so I'm so excited to show you this Louis Vuitton perfume that I just scored. Can you believe it that I got this for 40% off? Yes, you heard it right. I got this for 40% off the current price, and I will tell you later how I got it, but let's do check this out because I was worried that this might be fake. But when I saw this box and the packaging, I know for a fact that this is an authentic perfume from Louis Vuitton. Okay, so far it feels good. The box does feel authentic. And let's go and open her up and see this. It's a little tight. It's quite difficult to open and to remove it from the box. Okay, so finally getting it out and see. What we got is this perfume, the Apogee perfume from Louis Vuitton. Okay, so I have to be careful opening it up because knowing that there's a bottle inside. And look what I've got. I'm so happy with this purchase, and I can say that this is indeed authentic. So I got this 200 ml bottle of Apogee. It smells so good, and got this magnetic lid, which is nice, and a gold LV logo on top. I'm really enjoying this scent. On the LV website, the keynotes, it's saying lily, jasmine, magnolia, gaiac wood, and sandalwood essence. So, the question is how I got this for 40% off. I've actually seen it posted on our company buy and sell platform. So technically I bought it from my office mate who I don't personally know, but it is an unwanted gift. So yeah, I think I really made a great deal, and I'm so happy with my purchase. And thank you for joining me on this video, and I hope to see you on my next one. Stay safe, stay happy, and remember, we deserve some loves. Bye!